Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore refrigerator door handle. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door handle. The door handle is used to open the door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the refrigerator door just far enough so we can get access to the top of the handle. We have to flex the handle to get it off the door, so we're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to take this cover off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Then we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the two screws on top. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the handle and turn it towards the side of the door and flex it over the bushing. Once you have it off, you can push down on the handle and pull out on it to pull it off the stud. Once you have it off, we have to take off this trim piece. It's just snapped on. All you have to do is pull down on it, pop it off. Once you have it free, you can set it aside. And we can pull the door handle off the refrigerator. Here's the old door handle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new door handle on, you want to make sure you put the trim piece on. All you have to do is snap it on. Then we're going to turn the handle over, and we have to make sure that the stud goes into the receptacle there. So we're going to put the handle on at an angle and lock it in. Pulling on it to lock it in. Then you can turn it, and we have to flex it over the bushing so it goes onto the door. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can put the cover in place. All you have to do is line it up, push it down into place. Once you have that pushed in, you can close the door, plug the refrigerator back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.